Yes, hello there, anybody that's actually watching this. This is a video for the Graham Industries TVR1A twin cylinder marine steam engine. This one I actually built probably 2 or 3 years ago now. I actually bought this. In fact, I bought two. Basically when it first came out a few years ago now. This one actually was languishing in its box unbuilt. This is the uprated version. It's got the flywheel, and it's also got the hex screw hardware, which is an optional extra. It doesn't do any difference to the engine really. The only difference being it just looks a bit better really. I've lapped everything in and actually used sealer rather than the gaskets. I do have the gaskets, which are still languishing in its box with a lot of the original screws. So quite a few spare bits for it, as you can see. Obviously these are American made. They were sold as a kit in the UK. I think you could buy them pre-built in the States, but they're not over here. As you can see, this one's running absolutely beautiful. It's only been run on air. It's never been in the model. It's basically brand new. And as you can see, it runs lovely. They steam absolutely nothing, these. I think that even rated in the instructions, they're only rated around about 30 psi. And they are a very efficient engine for what they are. They're great in model boats. As you can see on this side of the engine, this is the Hackwood fault here. You have a reversing lever, obviously clockwise and anti-clockwise. You can put a throttle on them. What I did in my last one, I just used a steam valve, forward and reverse. It worked very well actually. It's actually in the boat. The only reason I'm getting rid of this one, I've not got a hull anymore to put it in, and I do have several other steam engines, and this is just lying here. And I was at two minds whether to keep it or not, but I have had it a while, and it just seemed a bit of a shame for somebody not to get some use out of it. Just slowing in now slightly, so you'll have to excuse if my compressor kicks in. I think at the moment it's running this at 5 psi. So as you can see, it's built well, as it should be. Quite a powerful little engine these as well. They'll easily push a 40 inch plus, 45 inch plus boat. The Windermere launch I've got this one is I think it's 40, just under 43 inches, and it pushes a 60mm propeller absolutely no problem at all, with a good turn of speed as well. But obviously, as you can see, you can just poodle around to your heart's content. So a lovely engine. This is going to be going on eBay, unfortunately, so it's the highest bidder gets it. But as you can see, it runs absolutely beautifully. Forward and reverse, by the way. I do the reverse, but I probably knock it over if I'm holding the camera at the same time. I do also have here in the little workshop. These are the full build instructions. Oh, the compressor's just about to kick on now. A bit quieter now. So, as you can see, full parts breakdown, and literally a full build instructions for the engine. Every single part. So if you have got one of these, you haven't got the instructions, I've got them. quite easy to build actually, and I do know people that have had these several years and run them very regularly, and yeah, never ever have any problems with them. They're yeah, a really good little reliable engine. What I'll do is I'll just up the pressure on my compressor a touch, and I'll reverse the engine for you. I will attempt to. There we go. Compressor. There we go, and this one. Absolutely lovely. Just shut the cupboard. So yeah, lovely engine. Like I say, it's brand new. It's been running in there. It's probably ran for about an hour on a forward and reverse. It's been running on light oil. So as you can see, it's run very well. Okay, thanks for watching. Any questions? Let's say it will be going on. It's a great motor.